Hey everyone, welcome to today's study update. It's day 16 of our main series. Today's idiom is tip of the iceberg. Usually I get idioms from Hindu editorials, but today I found this one in a quiz. Let's dive into what it means and how we can use it. So this simply means a small part of a larger problem, situation or issue, whatever we can say. For example, imagine you have a big ice cube floating in the glass of water. The part you see above the water is just a little bit of the ice cube. Most of the ice cube is under the water where you can't see it. So, when people say tip of the iceberg, they mean that what you see or know is just a small part of a bigger thing that's hidden. Okay, like the ice cube under the water. So, that's it. Now, let's look at the example sentences. The brief summary you read is just the tip of the iceberg. The book has many more details. So this means the short summary is only a small part of the much more detailed content in the full book. Okay. And one more example sentence is, if you find a few pieces of candy in a big jar, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are probably many more candies hidden at the bottom. So that's it for today, guys. Let's dive into the video. So guys, I got up at 5:30 this morning and got right into studying. I started by recalling vocabularies and then moved on to the current affairs. Guys, I'm a bit stressed about catching up with current affairs. Actually, I was on the top of it before, but with the IBPS clerk prelims exam preparation, I have fallen behind. So to get back on track, I'm trying to cover 2 days worth of news in one single day. So today I aimed to get through updates from August 23 and 24. It was a bit tricky to finish, but I at least got a good idea of what has been going on. But I couldn't hit my target this morning, so I will be continuing with it throughout the day. And today's major focus was on reasoning. I tackled a bunch of puzzles and seating arrangements. First, I worked on 2 box puzzles. They were pretty straightforward and did not take much time to solve. Then I dove into a more complex seating arrangement problem involving 14 people in a square facing different directions. It was a bit tricky and took some time, but I finally figured it out. And after that, I tackled some input output questions, which were just word based and pretty easy. And after that, I shifted my focus to English. I practiced 3 key areas today: grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. First, I tackled error spotting questions, which were mostly about tenses, prepositions, and clauses. Then I moved on to vocabulary practice. And honestly, I found that my vocabulary knowledge needs a lot of work. It's pretty weak right now, so I definitely need to find a solution for that. And then I worked on 2 reading comprehension. One was about how China's lack of transparency during the COVID-19 pandemic and that affects its role as a global leader, which was pretty tricky. And the other was about the ethics of killing animals and the need to treat other species with kindness. It was interesting. So that's it for today's preparation. See you in the next video. Bye.